Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve AI video quality in Synthesia and make your final videos look and sound more professional. First, open your Synthesia project and review your script before making any visual changes. A clear and well-structured script is the foundation of a high-quality AI video. Start by checking your AI avatar. Choose a presenter that matches your topic and audience, and make sure the avatar fits naturally within your scene layout. Next, focus on the AI voice. Select a voice that sounds natural and is easy to understand. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, pacing, and the overall delivery. If certain words are pronounced incorrectly, review your script and adjust the wording or punctuation. This can help the AI voice deliver those words more naturally. Now, improve your scene design. Keep your layouts clean and avoid adding too many elements at once. Make sure text, images, videos, and shapes are positioned correctly. Use high-quality images and video clips whenever possible. Visuals should be clear and relevant to the information being presented. Next, check your text. Use readable font sizes and keep important information short. Avoid placing large paragraphs on the screen while the avatar is speaking. You should also make sure your visuals match the narration. When the avatar explains a specific feature or step, show a relevant image, screenshot, or video whenever possible. If you use background music, keep it subtle. The AI voice should always remain clear and easy to hear. Subtitles can also improve the viewing experience. Check that subtitles are accurate, properly timed, and easy to read. Next, review your scene transitions and pacing. Avoid unnecessary pauses or overly long scenes. Break